Todo na to. Break quickly to start, moving upon the outside. Julius touch. Smart Cabanela comes next. Head honcho, while into E is the early trailer when going along for the first turn. Smart Cabanela moves up by the length and a half. Todo na to in second. Julius touch is on the outside. Head honcho, while into E is still running at the tail of the field. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Smart Cabanela maintaining a length and a half lead. Todo na to in second, moving upon the outside. Now is Genius touch. Head honcho is down on the inside, while into E is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn we have Smart Cabanela maintaining a couple of lengths, then followed over by Genius touch in second. Todo na to is down in third. Head honcho, while into E still running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Smart Cabanela maintaining a 3 lengths lead, moving upon the outside once again to take second is Todo na to. Genius touch is down in third, then comes Head honcho into E with about 100 meters up. That is Smart Cabanela. Todo na to, moving upon the outside, but it's still Smart Cabanela, and finally Smart Cabanela. Todo na to, Genius touch, then comes Head honcho and into E.
Magandang balita sa mga sumingil kay Smart Cabanela. Yan ang ating unang